And now I will draw the SFD diagram for UVL. These are the reactions that I have found by same method, by taking the moment at point A, and then after that by applying equation Fy is equal to 0 we can find out the reactions. I have explained in my other tutorial how to find out the reaction in detail. This is my V1 force, shearing force at point A is equal to reaction as I explained earlier. This is a roller, and this is V3, which is equal to shearing force at point A minus loading area. Shearing force at point A is 33 minus loading area. Because load is acting downward, that is why we have taken it minus, and we will find out V3 is equal to minus 16.67. and this is my SFD diagram for UVL. How is the curve drawn? This I will explain you now. The slope of the SFD is actually dy dx is the slope of the SFD is equal to the load. Load is decreasing from left to right. As we moving from left to right, from A to B, load is decreasing. So the slope of SFD will also decrease. This is the mechanism. Simple. This slope is decreasing. How it is decreasing, I will explain you now. This slope is decreasing. The black line, its slope is decreasing from left to right. This we are moving from left to right, its slope is decreasing. And in this case the slope is increasing as we moving from left to right. If we saw this is the slope is decreasing as we moving from left to right as the load is decreasing.